Right, in this video we're going to look at favorites, items, and also preset items. So let's just add a job to have something to work from. Okay, so what we've got in here is our map board. If we go over to the right, you'll see a star and a drop down, so we can select from favorites. So in here you can see we've got, say, NC4089. Okay, so we'll just select that one for now. In our backing, if we look at what we've got favourite at the moment, we've got 3 in there as a favourite. Okay, I'm going to put in here AC 23. Okay, this is a preset. As you can see, we can clear a preset or we can add these as preset. First, to make these take effect, just click Save. And now I'm going to unfavourite this item. So now you can see it comes up as a clear star. And we're going to favourite this item. Okay, and it's now a black star. Okay, we'll go on. This one's telling us this item's discontinued. So let's go and clear this preset. Choose another glass. Let's go for a conservation clear. And we'll preset this item. Okay, click Save. Just make sure that's preset, yes. Okay, so let's say we want this backing AC23 to also be a preset item. We'll preset that one as well. So let's save and close now. So now when we add a job, we have the 2 items that we preset, AC23, GLC UV460. So now we just want to set a new favourite. Let's set a moulding to a favourite. Let's just check, make sure it's not in there. We'll go for XC20 black. Okay, so it's no black star, so we know it's not a favourite item. Let's favourite this item. So it's favourite after you save, and there it is. So from the job page, you can see that you can unfavourite items, you can preset and clear presets, and you can also select from your favourites. If we go up to My Settings, under each of your settings, for instance, mouldings, if we go in there, you can see there's a preset there as well. So we can preset a moulding here if we like. Let's do XC20 black. Click Save. So that when we do go back to a sale and create a new sale, let's just create one back in here again. You'll see we've now got our preset from there. So you can preset them from within a job or from your settings under your item types. Okay, that's all for this video.